On today's episode of In the Know, we'll be showcasing our new ProPartner Accountants program. Hey ProAdvisors, it's RT, and you're watching In the Know, where you get our latest product updates by the leaders who built them. Let's jump right in with our favorite, Jaclyn Anku, who will show us the whole new ProPartner Accountant program. Jaclyn, so excited to have you here.
Thanks, RT. Well, it's so awesome to be back on In the Know, and I can't wait to share more with this community about Intuit ProPartner Accountants. So in case we haven't met, my name is Jaclyn, and I lead our ProAdvisor program, soon to be ProPartner program. So in a big transition moment right now, but I'll just introduce myself as the leader of the ProPartner Accountants program here at Intuit. But what my team does is realize the benefits, education, and community that empowers you to build your ideal firm. So it's really a joy to get to work with each and every one of you. All right, so the ProAdvisor program has been around for a very long time. Let me set the stage as to what we're up to with ProPartner Accountants and why now. So when we think about the ProAdvisor program, it's been around for a good 30 years. And it was started back when we wanted to empower firm leaders, typically at smaller firms, to build their practice around QuickBooks. And at the time, that meant delivering compliance and bookkeeping services. Fast forward to today, now there's firms of all sizes who are building accounting, advisory, CFO practices, and really need to meet the moment that we're in. That means dealing with changes in technology, staffing up amidst a workforce shortage, and upskilling your team in a way that goes above and beyond product. And that's the mission of ProPartner Accountants. It's to empower you to build your ideal firm by equipping you with benefits, education, and community that help you meet the moment. So for the fast facts, ProPartner Accountants is built for firms of all sizes who deliver accounting, advisory, and tax services. We're launching it in early 2027. And the reason why we're announcing it now is to kick off about a 6-month period to allow you to understand the details of the program and get comfortable with some of the actions you'll need to take in order to start accessing those tiered benefits, which I'll touch on in a sec. ProPartner Accountants is built natively into Intuit Accountant Suite. So that way, as soon as you walk into the product, you have visibility into your firm's tier, the benefits you have access to, and actions you can take to move up tier. And this program is global. It's global by design, meaning we'll have ProPartner accounts in the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So before we get into what's coming, I want to ground us in ProPartner is building on the incredible foundation that we've set through ProAdvisor. And the benefits that you know and love and count on are not going away. So specifically, preferred pricing, meaning that 30% wholesale billing discount or the 30% for 12-month client discount you can pass along are here to stay for firms across all tiers. Second, the My Books feature in Accountant Suite, so this means access to QuickBooks Online Advanced and Workforce Elite, are also here to stay. And of course, training and certification is here to stay. This has always been at the heart of the ProAdvisor program and will continue to be central to ProPartner. All right, so let's talk about what you have to look forward to across those 3 pillars that we outlined, starting with new program benefits. There's a lot of information on this slide. I'll go over the headlines. So new program benefits, the benefits are designed to help you grow your firm's revenue and operate more efficiently. We know, having had many conversations with our community, that giving you access to customer support experts who are knowledgeable about accounting workflows is central to firm efficiency. So that's exactly what we're doing. We are certifying accountant customer success experts in ProPartner and QuickBooks Online, so you speak the same language and they can jump in with you to solve root cause issues. And as you move up tier, the customer success experience scales with you and you'll get paired with even more specialized experts. Next is our revenue share program. We're evolving this from 12 months to 3 years for QuickBooks Online and Workforce Elite. And as you move up tier, the amount you have access to scales with you from 10 up to 25%. And we'll be introducing a 3-year Intuit Enterprise Suite revenue share. By the time ProPartner launches, we'll be increasing this to 3 years. And then finally, Intuit Accountant Suite. So all firms have access to Intuit Accountant Suite Core, which is now replacing QuickBooks Online Accountant by the end of this calendar year, and an incredible new foundation for you to run your firm on. What's new with ProPartner is that firms in our upper tiers will have access to Intuit Accountant Suite Accelerate. That's the premium SKU of Accountant Suite that gives you access to richer client insights, benchmarking data that enables you to go deliver those advisory services. So to recap, you'll have access to certified customer support who understand accounting workflows, 3 times longer revenue share, and access to free Intuit Accountant Suite Accelerate. I'll move on now to education. So like I said, training and certification on our product have always been central to ProAdvisor. That's not going away. You'll continue to have access to those programs. And with ProPartner, we're taking that a step further. We're introducing more training on client advisory services so that way you can upskill your team on the holistic skill set they need to go deliver advisory services. Soft skills, critical thinking, financial analysis will be available in ProAdvisor Academy, and we already have our CAS Foundations pathway available today. Training on AI for accountants. This is so essential to navigating what it means to be in the workforce today, and we will be delivering webinars and training on practical skills for AI for accountants in today's era. This means both on Intuit and just more broadly. And then finally, for firm leaders, we have our training manager built natively into Accountant Suite so that you can assign your team learning pathways in the academy and then track their progress, giving you more insight and visibility into how they're upskilling. And finally, community. So we know that innovation doesn't happen in a silo. It happens when we come together to collaborate and exchange ideas and build relationships. So that's exactly what we're doing. We've already hit the road with our Better Together event series. We've been in 2 cities this summer and we have 2 more to come. But really what Better Together is Intuit coming out into the community to build relationships with folks who are local, connecting you to each other and connecting you to us. At the heart of the program is peer-led training, enabling you to feel more confident about running your firm. Next is our Career Pipeline program. Intuit has committed to certifying 1 million students in higher education over the next 5 years. We're doing this through enabling participating universities with turnkey curriculum, resources, and access to you, to ProPartner mentors. So as part of this program, we'll be onboarding a cohort of ProPartner accountant mentors and connecting you with students so you can help influence the future of the profession and bring them into the community that we're all a part of. And then finally, in 2027, we'll announce more details about an awards program. And the intent of the awards program is to showcase excellence, to really give a stage to those community members who are innovating, who are pushing the envelope, and doing incredible things. We want to tell your story and celebrate you. All right, so that's the what of the program. We talked about benefits, education, and community. I'll transition now to talking more about the how. How do you access these benefits? Just like with ProAdvisor, ProPartner will feature a tiered program. We have 5 tiers. So the additional tier here is that member tier. And what happens is when any firm signs up for Accountant Suite, they'll be placed into that member tier. It's not until you reach partner that you can start accessing those tiered rewards. Member firms will have access to foundational benefits like certification, preferred pricing, but the tiered rewards start at partner and above. So how do you get to partner tier? There's 2 criteria you have to meet. Thing 1 is to get at least 1 person within your firm certified. So what I'm saying is certification is no longer a nice to have, it's a have to have. Next is you have to have at least 1 active client on Intuit Accountant Suite. We're putting this criteria in place to really set the baseline of what it means to be a pro partner and ensure that all of our members have skin in the game. Once you hit partner tier, you can start earning points. And you can earn points to move up tier through activities like completing certifications and your influenced revenue with Intuit. meaning whether your client is paying or your firm is paying, you'll earn points for that influenced revenue. This fall, we'll be announcing a much higher level of detail around your firm's predicted tier, how to earn points, and what actions you need to take to make the most out of the program. So much more to come there. So keep your eye out around August, September. All right, there's 3 things you can do now to start getting ready for ProPartner accountants. So thing 1 is transition to Intuit Accountant Suite. ProPartner is built natively into Accountant Suite, so you have to be on it by early 2027 to start accessing these benefits. Second is because certification is a requirement, make sure your team's certifications are up to date. You have to have at least one person in the firm who is actively certified. So shout out for recertification. RT is running an incredible recertification season. And if you need to keep your certification active, go for it. You have about 2 more weeks. And then last is, if your firm has multiple consoles, put a plan in place to consolidate these so that way your points add up and you can get the most out of the program.
Okay, so let's see. All right, we've got a couple questions. You may have touched upon this, such good information. What inspired the change for ProAdvisor, for ProPartner to move to ProPartner accountants?
ProAdvisor is our legacy program that's been around for about 30 years, and it was built back when the accounting profession looked really different. So when we've leaned in to talk to our community and hear from you, whether that's through In the Know or counsel, it's become clear that you've outgrown the ProAdvisor program, and we really need to step up and provide the benefits and education and community that will empower you to grow your firm. So ProPartner is really a program designed for firms who are navigating today's landscape.
Yeah, no, totally makes sense. And I know that we touched upon this a little bit, but just to reiterate, now that we know the 23% and then where everybody else fell, what can firms do now to get ready?
Yeah, for sure. So because ProPartner will be built natively into Accountant Suite, it's critical that you get into Intuit Accountant Suite. So while the program won't be live until January, the faster you're in Accountant Suite, the faster you'll be ready for when it launches. Not to mention that there's also many other reasons to move into Accountant Suite. It is such an incredible new experience that the team has built with you, by you, for you. So highly recommend moving over. And then the second big thing is to reach partner tier, you will have to have someone at your firm who's certified. So you can even, if you're a firm leader, go into that training manager and you can get the bird's eye view over who in your team is certified, and you can encourage them along their learning journey.
Amazing. Thank you so much for that. We're so excited for that program to kick off in January. If you find these updates interesting or helpful, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And that's all we have for now. For more product updates, go ahead and check out our In the Know Hub. We'll catch you next time.